know about you guys, but growing up I didn't like pumpkins. Pumpkins in the rice, pumpkins with potatoes, pumpkins with anything. I didn't want to see pumpkins in my food. I don't know if the reason for that is because of how it was cooked, how it was prepared. I just never got to know why I didn't like pumpkins. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the butternut squash soup or the pumpkin soup, which is good for you, good for the kids. And also, we're going to put a lot of vegetables inside. You know how kids are. Sometimes they don't want to eat their vegetables. But then if you just play a little trick on them and fix it somewhere inside, then they get to eat it. So let's get this soup cooking. Enjoy! This is all I need. This is 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, some broccoli, a little tiny piece of cabbage, 1 capsicum, and butternut squash. If you have the pumpkin, you can use the pumpkin. So basically I just opened my fridge and got whatever vegetables I had there so that I can prepare this. So let's get cooking.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
I have roughly chopped up everything, so don't need to cut it up in little pieces.
What I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Our butternut is boiling. It's like halfway cooked. Yes. So now we're going to go ahead and put our vegetable. We are then going to season it with some salt. Guys, I'm working with one hand. And some pepper.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, this is the final product. Looks really delicious. If you try it, let me know down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in my next video. Bye. How is the soup?
Good.
It's going to make you?
It's gonna make you clever, strong, big.
Yes, that's
So grown up.
yeah, into a grown-up, yes. Okay? Bye again. I love you.